After Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, number of meme coins introduced in the market, and after the hype of millionaire Mr. Elon Musk, meme coins being popular among entire crypto sphere. In this video, we are going to discuss about a meme coin which will work in NFT marketplace, and also it will give the edge to its holders for participating in every new contest. So stay tuned with us because this coin will be probably will be the killer of Shiba Inu or even the Dogecoin. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
We are going to discuss about Shiryu Inu coin. The Shiryu Inu project is a play-to-earn NFT trading card game currently in development. The ecosystem is fueled by a Shiryu Inu token. It's an ERC20 token with 18 zeros. I will surely share the contract address in the description of this video, and right now this token is available on the Uniswap exchange, so easily you can purchase this altcoin Shiryu Inu directly from that exchange. As per my own idea, this coin will at least, but it's a long-term plan. You must have to hold this altcoin for at least 1 year, so surely this will cross at least Shiba Inu. Here you can see the main Twitter page, and every day they are sharing new things about the NFTs. Something important, basically the Shiryu Inu will work same like the fuel and also same like the blood in entire ecosystem of the Shiryu Inu. Here you can see the main website of this altcoin, the Shiryu Inu game, that is in processing mode, and very soon you will be able to play this game directly on the main platform. Now, something for the players. Players will be able to buy the card packs, open packs for the unique NFT cards, trade cards on our or the secondary marketplaces. Basically, Shiryu Inu will give you the chance to trade those NFTs on the main marketplace of the Shiryu Inu. But if you want to trade those NFT cards anywhere else, so you can also do that. So it's a good thing, and you can even battle against other players or computers to earn Shiryu Inu token as a reward. So players will be able to connect the dApp and select 50 of their cards to form a deck. Minimum of 5 element cards will be required. One season card can be placed per turn. The stronger the Shiryu Inu monster, the more season cards required to be placed to summon them. So basically it will work as a play to earn project, and secondly for the NFTs, and very soon you will be able to trade the NFTs on the main marketplace. Here you can see the tokenomics. 18 zeros are there, but surely they are going to burn some supply. Liquidity is 95%. Here you can also check out the liquidity logged on the Uniswap is more than 99.526, and on the main page of the website they wrote it that the liquidity is 95%, and dev and also for the marketing maximum 5%. So it's a fair launched altcoin. So if you are going to buy this altcoin directly from the exchange, Uniswap exchange, simply you have to increase the slippage tolerance and easily you can purchase this altcoin. 11% for the buys and sell, and that will be divided to all the holders. That is a huge thing about this altcoin. So overall the idea is good. Here you can see the roadmap, development and deployment of smart contract, website creation, telegram marketing and community growth strategy, fair launch of the Shiryu Inu native token, continue with the marketing strategy and target multiple social media platforms, listing on small tier portfolio techers, and very soon they are going to list this altcoin on number of big exchanges. Here you can see the phase 3 exchange listings, and right now their audit is ongoing on the CertiK. After the audit you will understand that big players will surely take the entry in this altcoin. So it's one of the best time for all of us to take the entry in this altcoin. Here you can see the main white paper, and also you can check out the element cards: fire, earth, thunder and water. My idea about this altcoin that surely it will remove these 4 zeros. So if you are going to buy this altcoin with only and only $50, you will get huge amount of Shiryu Inu altcoins. And as I said that if it will remove at least 4 zeros after the listing on some centralized exchanges, surely this will give us at least 250x from the current price. But surely we have to wait for at least 1 year, because if we are going to check out the Shiba Inu altcoin 1 year before, the price of Shiba Inu is only and only with number of zeros only and only 26. So if we are going to compare the Shiryu Inu with Shiba Inu, surely this coin will be huge, but we have to wait, we have to hold this altcoin for the better future. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and also if you are going to buy this altcoin, share it with me. Thanks.